All right, so first we're gonna start here. This is a wall piece that I got from Target. I don't recall the price of it, but I absolutely love it. It was intended to be a bookshelf, but obviously she's not reading right now, and the books that we do read to her are on a different shelf that I will get to in a minute. So for now, we just have a vase. The vase is from Hobby Lobby. The boxwood is also from Hobby Lobby. And then we have her little footprints. And it's not filled out, but that's her footprints from the hospital. On her closet, we just have this, I think this is called a tapestry, I'm not sure. My mom got that for her for my baby shower. So, and then just over here, this is where we have her car seat. We always store her car seat and her backpack over here. It's just really convenient. Whenever I do open the closet, because she doesn't have a doorknob, she has one that like slides open, I just move it out the way, or sometimes I will put it in this area. So her wall color, I absolutely love her wall color. Her wall was the very first wall we ever painted in our home. I will try and find the color for you guys, and I will hopefully pop it on the screen or put it down in the description box. If it's not on the screen, check there. If it's not in the description box, check the comment section. But I will try and put it down. I know it is a color, I believe it's either Sherwin-Williams or Valspar, one of the two, but it is one of my favorite colors. It's not too pink and it's not too orange. It's just beautiful. The only thing missing in her nursery is her name, just because I can't decide if I want to do a color or wood. So her name will go up eventually. So her crib, this actually was her brother's crib. My son Casson passed it down, and this is actually from IKEA. I love it. I love the style of it. It is gender neutral. It went with his room and it goes with her room, and it's just boho, but you know, obviously his room wasn't boho, but it went with his style still. I just love it. It's very, very, very versatile. This pillow is from Home Goods. This pillow is a gift from my mom. It was a gift for the baby shower. And then her mousse actually has her heartbeat in it. I think, can I have you guys listen to it? So that is actually a live recording of her heartbeat, and it just makes me so happy. It calms her down whenever she's screaming, crying, and I can't calm her down, or nothing can calm her down. That will make her just go silent. And then she has her little stuffy. None of this, by the way, is in her crib when she sleeps. She is still sleeping in our room in her playpen, but she is starting to take naps in here. Her sheet is a gift for, just like a gift for like a welcome to the world gift from her god grandma and god grandpa and her godmom. And the blanket is, oh geez, I believe this is from Target. Her rug, I love her rug. I have a love-hate relationship with it because I'm kind of getting sick of the style, but it goes with her room so well. It is from Target, and it is through the Jungle collection, I believe. I love it. It's very soft. When she plays in here, I don't have to worry about her, you know, hurting herself if she tips over, because she is tipping over. I do put pillows around her, but she will move away from them now. But this rug, I don't know, love-hate relationship. We're thinking about redoing the style of her nursery soon anyway. So this, we've had this rug for a while, since we did her nursery. So before she was born, so almost a year. So her lamp is another gift. Her lamp was a gift, a baby shower gift, an early baby shower gift from one of my really good friends. I love the style. It goes with her boho style. This is actually a plant stand, but I'm using it as a side table. It is actually from TJ Maxx. It was on clearance, I believe, for like $40. And then her little ottoman where I put my feet when I'm rocking her is also from TJ Maxx. Super cute. They had a ton of stuff there for like the theme that we went for. Her rocking chair is actually from Facebook Marketplace. It is, I think, valued at $300 and we got it for $150. I use it most of the time. Sometimes I'm able to breastfeed her and rock her without it, but if she's being really fussy, that will get the job done. I love it. The pillow, the pink one, is from, I believe, Home Goods. Yes, Home Goods. The blanket is from Home Goods, and the pillow, along with that pillow, like I said, was from a gift from my mom for the baby shower. No, I'm sorry, excuse me. Both pillows were a Christmas gift to her. That's what it was. I got that confused. So up here is where we keep her books. She has a little piggy bank from one of her godmothers, and then like I said, the vase along with the other pink vase in the beginning of the video, and the florals are from Hobby Lobby, and the shelf I believe is from Target. So her curtains are actually from Burlington. They were on clearance and I just love it. It gives just a nice airy feeling to her room. Her bar, I love it. It's so cute. It is from, I think, again, the Jungle Book collection from Target, and the eucalyptus is from Hobby Lobby. So her little rainbow over here is another Christmas gift to her from my mother, and it just came along with the pillows. It's super cute, goes with her theme. Moving on to her dresser. Her dresser is actually passed down plenty of times. So we actually bought this dresser years ago, I believe in 2018. From Facebook Marketplace. Me and my husband used it. I did a nice gray light wash on it, and then my son got it and we painted it white, and then now it's hers, and we painted this really nice creamy color, and the hardware is from Lowe's. Super nice. I love the way it turned out, and we also double it as her changing table. The shelves above her dresser are from Target, and the mirror, I believe, is from TJ Maxx. I cannot think off the top of my head. It's either from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Ross, one of the two. Just up here, I keep like her hair stuff in here. And like the little red thing is just like her rubber bands and stuff for me to do really cute styles on her. And then the other side just has a little container, and that just holds like her hospital bands and stuff. So we still have to put a picture in the picture frame, but the picture frame is another gift to her from one of my really good friends. And then the vase and eucalyptus, the vase and the boxwood are from Hobby Lobby. This is just an all-purpose high chairs, toys, tables, countertops, cribs, and rails, just like a spray. This is her hair moisturizer and dew ointment for diaper changes, and then her lotion is Aveeno. And this turntable, it actually turns. I don't know why it's, oh, there we go. It turns, and it's from TJ Maxx. And just back here is her air purifier that was a gift from my cousin's mother. So this is her changing pad and I love it. The changing pad, the actual pad, is from a baby consignment shop. It was used with my son, got passed down to her, and then the cover for it is actually a baby shower gift. And the vase and again the picks in it are from Hobby Lobby, and the beads I believe are from TJ Maxx. So this is where I hold her diaper genie, and I just keep it on the side of it, and then right on her door is a little rainbow charm, and I just keep it there. It was another gift from my mom along with her other rainbow stuff. So that's about it for her room tour, you guys. I will do another in-depth video of the organization part of it, just because I'm still, you know, she's growing and changing. Things are getting changed in and out. So her dresser especially needs to get redone for the stage that she is in now, along with her closet. And once I get her dresser and her closet organized, then I will do a in-depth nursery tour just to give you guys some ideas on how we organize for her. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.